You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that are obviously related and that are both quite confusing from their spelling. They have similar pronunciations in British English and in American English, so it's actually fairly straightforward once you know. The top word here is pronounced particular, 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 or the Americans say it as particular. The bottom word is pronounced particularly, particularly, stress on the T syllable, particularly. So let's summarize, let's listen carefully and remember the pronunciations in English, how to pronounce particular and particularly. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.